Hello, sixth graders. You are going to be looking at this presentation in a pair deck, so it's going to be a little bit different, but I thought it would be helpful to just give kind of an overview because we're going to be doing something similar for the next, probably like because next week is a short week, so it'll probably go into the week after Thanksgiving even. And so I just wanted to make a rundown that we can use for the other ones as well if we need to, but just really set ourselves up for success. So, as you saw with the creation stories, we're going to be looking at different aspects of Hawaiian and Samoan culture and comparing and contrasting these two amazing places. And so today, your focus is going to be on tattoo and dance. We're also going to look at government and lifestyle and architecture, lots of really cool things that we're going to be looking at. But today is tattoo and dance. And so the purpose, we're going to be rooted in this rubric. It's about culture and environment and thinking about what makes places similar and different from each other. And so there's a lot on this rubric that I wanted to I wanted to make sure I included the whole rubric, but we're really going to be focusing on the three category, which is comparing and contrasting the cultures and the environments of two or more places. In this case, our two places being Hawaii and Samoa. And so you're going to move through these two categories, tattoo and dance. And there's going to be places, some of the slides you'll be highlighting, some of the slides you'll be taking notes, like in a text box. And so the idea is that you're paying attention to any unique characteristics. So, characteristics being like details that make one place special. Unique means like one of a kind. You might take notes to remember important details, or you might have questions that you want to learn more about. And so, again, I'll just kind of go through this briefly because you'll get to explore on your own. But what you'll find in each section is like, okay, here's tattooing. There's some pictures. There's this introduction where, again, you'll be able to highlight. And then you'll have a chance to write, what do you want to remember from this introduction? And then you'll have Hawaii. There's a video. I think in a pair deck, a video will open in another screen. So you'll watch the video, highlight. There's some more reading. And then you'll write, what do you want to remember about Hawaiian tattooing? And then same thing for Samoa. Oh, this video got in the way. There we go. And what do you want to remember about Samoan tattooing? And then you will have the chance to make your own Venn diagram, like what we started doing a little bit with the creation stories. And so you can add a couple details about Hawaii, a couple details about Samoa, and a couple things in the middle. I'm guessing with the amount of information you'll be learning, you'll probably want to have 3 things in each category. So maybe I'll add a little text box. It says 3 in each section. Exclamation point, and we'll do 3 plus because you may have more than 3. I'm gonna put that nice in the corner. Cool. I'm gonna add that to the one at the end too. So then you're gonna do the same thing with dance. To be fully transparent, I don't know how long this is gonna take. It might take full 2 days to do the tattooing one, and that's fine. What's important is that you're engaging with the material, and we will, that's again the nice thing about it being self-paced is that we have time if you need it to move through these things, and then maybe we'll adapt the next section of Hawaiian and Samoan culture. Maybe we'll adapt it so that it's not as much material. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, let me know, and we can always adapt it. But yeah, so there's the dance section. Really, I just have all this here so that if you want to keep going, you can. But you can also take your time and let me know what you need as far as support. But so that is your task. I'm mainly going to be looking at your Venn diagram for the rubric. So looking at, okay, can this student show me what makes these two places similar and what makes them different? So that is your task. I think you're all going to rock it. I know this is such interesting content. Hopefully you are as interested in it as I am. I've been having so much fun so far. If you have questions on anything, bring it to the small group and we can go through it together. And otherwise, I'll just be there working alongside you. I'm really excited to keep learning. You are all amazing.